Hey everyone, Emery Parsons here from PDMG. I am going to be talking with you all today about best practices for operating the Amazon Seller Fulfilled Prime program, changes, best practices, tips, all that good stuff. Okay, so let's get started with the 2021 program changes. These are the metrics that you will need to hit to remain in the Amazon Seller Fulfilled Prime program as of 2021. So you'll need to hit a 99% on-time shipment rate. 99% of orders use the buy shipping services. And then note right here below, 97% of an on-time delivery rate for Prime orders when shipping is purchased outside of the buy shipping services. And then let's not skip this one here. So 0.5% or lower for your order cancellation rate. It's got to be 0.5% or below. Nationwide delivery coverage for all standard size products on Prime enabled shipping templates. You must operate 6 days a week. So this means you need to include either a Saturday or Sunday operation. And the same goes for delivery. You need to deliver standard size Prime products 6 days a week. So you must include either a Saturday or Sunday delivery. And then lastly, you need to hit your delivery speed targets for 1 and 2 day delivery promises. And we will talk about that in a little bit. Okay, so what are the key takeaways here? Seller Fulfilled Prime is operating under a 7 calendar day setup versus the previous 5 business day operation. So you must pick up and deliver 6 days a week and add a Saturday or Sunday operation. Next one is regional Prime templates for standard size products are no longer going to be in use. So Seller Fulfilled Prime is moving to that nationwide delivery coverage that we talked about up here. This is a big change. You must hit your 1 or 2 day delivery speed targets. And we'll talk about what those delivery speed targets are, like I said, in a little bit. Okay, so before we keep going, let's just really quickly note, remember what your sizing, dimensions, weight, all that stuff for your standard size and your oversized products are. Okay, let's go on down. Okay, so we're going to break down each metric for you guys so you can understand how it is that you get to each of these metrics and what you can do to make sure that you're hitting these, how to watch each metric, etc. Okay, so the on-time shipment rate, remember we said you've got to be at 99% or higher. So the way you're going to get your on-time shipment rate is you're going to take the number of Seller Fulfilled Prime units shipped on or before the promised ship date and divide it by the total number of units shipped. Be sure to note here, this is really important, that packages are not considered shipped just when you confirm the shipment. The package must be scanned by the carrier for the first time for it to count as shipped. Another note, if your package ships late but it still gets delivered on time, it will count as on time. So what you're going to do to watch this metric is just use your defects report in Seller Central and look for the X's under the shipped late and delivered late columns. Okay, so the next metric, remember we said the buy shipping rate must be at least 99% of orders. The way you're going to get this is you're going to take the number of Seller Fulfilled Prime units with labels bought through buy shipping services and divide by all the units shipped. Okay, so note here, this is a really good tip. If your customer wants to change their shipping address, be sure to direct them to customer service to make the change, meaning don't cancel the order yourself. This is going to help with keeping you at that 99%. How to watch this metric, just use your defects report, same as before, but look for the X's under the shipped outside buy shipping services column. Okay, next is your order cancellation rate. It's got to be 0.5% or less. The way you're going to get this is you're going to take the number of Seller Fulfilled Prime units canceled by the seller before ship confirmation, divided by total number of units ordered. Okay, so note here that all cancellations made by you for any reason are going to count here. So you've got to watch those. And then note, if a customer cancels an order within 30 minutes of purchase, there's no action needed from the seller, so you don't have to do anything. But if 30 minutes has passed, definitely direct them to customer service to cancel the order and don't do it yourself. This is going to help you stay below that 0.5%. How to watch this metric: use your defects report, look for the X's in the order canceled by seller column. Okay, let's keep going down. On-time delivery rate. This is a super important one. Customers care a lot about this. It's really important to them that their products get delivered on time. So making sure that you are having an on-time delivery rate is going to help you prevent bad reviews or refund requests. And the way you can look at this is it's just the percentage of your seller fulfilled Prime units delivered on or before the promised delivery date. Another note, Amazon will show you all of this late delivery information, whether it affects your on-time delivery rate or not, just so that you can work with carriers on any issues. So just note that when you're looking at the information. Another note, if the first delivery attempt was not successful due to an issue not related to the carrier, so for example, the customer wasn't there to sign for it, your on-time delivery rate won't be affected. And the way you're going to watch this metric is use your defects report and look for the X's in the delivered late column. But also be sure to check the delivered late and shipped outside by shipping services so that you can hone in on which orders affect both on-time delivery rate and Prime eligibility. Okay, so let's move on to the delivery speed metrics. You've got to hit these targets for the 1 and 2 day delivery promises. Okay, so what are delivery speed metrics? This metric is the percentage of customer page views that show a 1 or 2 day delivery promise when your seller fulfilled Prime offer was the featured offer. And this is whether a purchase was made or not. Okay, so let's look at what the targets are for starting February 1st, 2021 and going all the way through the end of this year, December 31st. Okay, so for your standard size products, your 1 day product detail page view needs to be 20%, and then your 2 day needs to be 55%. So 20% is the bare minimum for your 1 day product detail page views. And so this means that when a customer or a potential customer goes into your listing and they look at it, 20% of them see that they can get it delivered to them in 1 day. Okay, let's look at the oversized products. So the 1 day product detail page view percentage is 5%, and then 2 day is 30%. Okay, so tips for success here. When you're making your shipping plan, just be sure to adjust your cutoff time accordingly with your warehouse schedules so that you can be as efficient as possible. And note the days of the week in which the warehouse operates. You know, are you a Saturday? Are you a Sunday? What's your schedule? You just need to be super aware. Another thing you can do is download a speed report, and this will help you discover which ASINs are affecting your delivery speed metrics. You could try to get more warehouse space. It helps if you can spread out your warehouses to cover different regions of the country. You just want to have as much delivery coverage as possible so that you can offer, you know, whether it's the 20% of the standard or the 5% of the oversized, you can offer those 1 day delivery promises. You've got to have the coverage to be able to show this. Next thing you can do is partner with a third party for fulfillment just to ensure that you hit those 1 day targets. Lastly, you can automate your shipping services to ensure that your delivery promises are accurate, and this will save you a lot of time. So what you'll need to do is just tell Amazon where you ship from and what shipping service you use, and it will automatically calculate the accurate transit time to different regions. And the way Amazon does this is it uses the most recent shipping service delivery capabilities data, and this will just save you time and make sure that everything's accurate. Okay, so quick note here on the changes. For your weekend pickups and delivery speed targets, just remember that you need to ship products out 6 days a week. So you must ship accordingly with page views and cutoff times. So for example, let's say your Saturday operation is enabled. So Sunday would not be. Customer page views occurring the Friday after the cutoff time or the Saturday before the cutoff time must ship on Saturday. Okay, so I think that about covers it. If you all have any questions, please let us know. I will include some links down below to our LinkedIn and to our blog on our website, so be sure to check those out. And thanks so much for watching.